Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Risica and I am a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. And today on my channel we're doing something a little bit different, but something very fall. We are going to be doing a Halloween charcuterie board, and this is the first time I've ever done a board like this. This is going to be a dessert and Halloween inspired charcuterie board. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get started making this really special treat for guests for Halloween. So I see so many of these really cute boards on Pinterest, and I wanted to create something that was achievable for the normal person and with stuff that I have around here in my hometown. So I got most of my items for Trader Joe's and Target, but I did stop by a bakery and pick up a few kind of like different items. So I'm going to show you everything I bought. I'm going to pick up the camera in vlog style, show you everything I bought, and then we're gonna make the board. All right, so first things first, I just wanna give a shout out to M Street Bakery. They're located in Howell, and they make these amazing shakes. They're right around the corner from where my sister lives, but this is where I got some of the more unique items for this board, but everything else was from Target and Trader Joe's. I wanna show you a couple things that aren't gonna be used on my board, but they're really, really cute. And those are these Hocus Pocus style cupcakes. I actually bought these for my neighbors, so I'm gonna deliver those after I'm done making this board. And then I also got these really cute caramel apples that I'm gonna give to my aunt. So I'm just gonna kind of slide these items over this way because we're not using them for the board. They're just like really cute. Just so you know, Halloween is my favorite holiday ever, so that's why I'm kind of creating something fun and different today. So now moving on to everything else that I bought for the board. I have these Reese's ghosts. I'm just going to kind of push those to the side in case we need them or need to fill the space. From Trader Joe's, I got these chocolate mousse pumpkins that are really good, so I'm going to put those on the board. I'm excited for those. I got those from my grandma last year and she loved them. I also got this cinnamon broom that smells really good, and I'll probably just put that somewhere to fill the space. So from Target now, I got pumpkin spice pretzels. Yum. I also got pumpkin spice almonds. Those look really good as well. Candy corn crunch trail mix and maple pecan caramel corn. So those are all going to be really good on my board. I also picked up these two little pumpkins from Trader Joe's. I don't know if I'll use them or not, but I did grab them. Additionally, I have these little mummy cake pops, cake balls, whatever you call them. I got those from M Street. I also got these chocolate covered pretzels from M Street and these little cookies from M Street, and of course more cupcakes from M Street as well. These are also going over to my neighbors. I'm going to make another set of neighbors, a cute little set. And here are truffles, which I'm so excited about. I want to eat them so bad. So this is the board that I purchased from Target. I believe it was $20. It's cute. I think it'll be very fall themed. It's not so much going to be Halloween themed. Well, the board is brown and everything else in my house is like black or gray. So this board is what I'm going to be making my little charcuterie tray on, which is going to be really good. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to wash my hands, put on gloves because I'm going to be touching desserts and stuff, and I'm going to get started with this. All right, so I just washed my hands. I put my gloves on. I have everything open, ready to go. So I'm just going to start trying to place everything. I don't really have, I joke around, I'm like, I don't really have a vision for this. I really don't have a vision for this. So we're just gonna kind of go with the flow to start and just kind of make this work. I'm excited for this. So one of the first things I'm gonna put down are these pumpkin spice pretzels. These are really quite cute. And I kind of want to like, oh, these smell good too. Put a little pile of them to start kind of over here in this corner. This is going to be really cute. I can already tell. Let's put that piece back because it's broke. Just kind of put like little chunks of these. broken one. Look real cute. Because you want people to be able to like get a good amount of whatever treat you're putting down. So we'll put those right there. Next I'm gonna grab these pretzels out of here. And I'm just gonna carefully pull these out. And you know what I think I'm gonna do? Is I think I'm gonna like kind of lay these. I'm gonna move our little mummy balls. Like move this like so. Maybe do like a little stack or something and put our little mummy friend right there. I think that's cute. I can also put like more stuff over there in a second, but we'll start with that. I also have these balls, and I'm trying to my best to like break up like oranges and other colors. I don't know. Let's just go like that. How cute. I'm just gonna place them over here a little bit. You can also like kind of add more over there in a second. What else do I have over here? Oh, I also have this caramel corn. So let's kind of stack this up.
Waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a bitch, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special guy. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. That's our job,
But we're not mean.
in our town of Halloween.
In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed what I created. This was a lot of fun and something that I have never done before. So please make sure to stay tuned for moving into winter, which is crazy to say. The holidays are coming. I'm gonna be doing more hauls and of course fashion hauls. This was just something a little bit more different that I wanted to try out and share with all of my followers. So thank you, hit the subscribe button. I will see you next week. Bye everyone.